Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2016 Dodge Challenger with a 3.6 in this. Customer requested to have a serpentine belt replaced. Here is the old one. Now, instantly, me as a technician knows this is a problem. Because no matter what anybody tells you, belts do not come apart like this unless there's a problem. So he said, nope, just needed a belt, that's it. Well, what do? I show up, put a new belt on, I instantly go into diagnostic mode just to confirm this, because I don't want to put this belt on and this new one comes back off. Tensioner pulley's good, idler pulley's good, water pump, everything spins good. Can't spin the crank, but oh, and what is this? Then we come to the alternator. Look at this. Yeah, there's our problem right there. So anybody out there paying attention, anybody that says it's just a belt, it's never just a belt, especially when they look like that. Belts do not come apart. They are safety issues. Even if all of the tread gets worn off on this thing will still work. It may not work well, it may squeal, it may look like crap, but it will still work. It is a safety item. Just like seat belts, they can be torn, they can be ripped, but they will still work. Tires, same thing. You can have no tread left on this thing, but it will not pop. It will only pop something goes into the sidewall. Can't help that. That's not a factory defect. Goes down to the absolute cord, that's when it'll have a problem. But either way, that's something you just got to keep up on as far as maintenance. You requested to replace the belt due to it being faulty, but that's it. Any questions, comments, please let me know.